Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are going to focus on weekly meal prep, and we're going to do it using our barbecue grill. And we are going to be using these Suchi'S spices to season up all of our proteins for the week. These are great go-tos that you can use whenever you are planning for a busy week and you're going to need to have some extra help in the kitchen. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today we are getting ready to meal prep for our week, all on the grill. And we are going to toss all of this protein on there, and first we're going to season it up with Suchi'S spices. And I want to thank them first of all for sending me these spice rubs, but we're going to be using these to season up all of our protein for our weekly meal prep. And if you have not gotten on the bandwagon to prep for your week, if you are busy working families, individuals, singles, couples, then there's no better way to get ready for your week than to make a menu, grab your groceries, and meal prep. Get everything ready as far as you prefer. Sometimes people don't like to cook protein in advance, but sometimes it makes it a lot easier. And if you are eating a lot of salads, then it's really easy just to have the protein already done, and you can do a lot with it. Today we're going to do about 2 pounds of 1620 white shrimp that I have already skewered up, 3 chicken breasts, about a 2-pound sirloin steak, and a couple of really thick cut bone-in pork chops. While we wait, I want to take a moment to say thank you for watching and being a part of our community. And please consider hitting that thumbs up button if you like what you see. And if you're new to my kitchen, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button. And as always, if you're a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, be sure and hit the bell notification button, because we don't want you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. What we're going to do first is we're going to just show you the variety of spices. This is a 4 spice rub set that comes all boxed up and really beautiful from Suchi'S Spices. They contacted me and asked if I would like to try them, and of course I said yes, so I want to thank them for sending me this. But as you can see, these spice blends are perfect for everyday grilling. So we have a Cajun soul spice rub, a sweet spicy smoky rub, an exotic island spice rub, and a big Texas spice rub. I have opened all of these and their quality is outstanding. Everything is super fresh. It smells and tastes delicious, and I can't wait to put these to use on our weekly meal prep here. These spices are harvested fresh, dried, and ground on the spot. They are kosher, they're gluten-free, they're GMO-free, and you can see right here, they are 100% vegan, and they contain no preservatives. All the ingredients that are in the jar are listed on the jar. So if you are allergic to anything specific, you will definitely know. This is the Cajun soul spice rub. We're going to go ahead and we're going to season our chicken with this, and I'm just going to use my fingers, and we're going to go ahead, and what we'll do is we will season the other side when we get it on the grill. We're going to do the big Texas spice rub for the steak. Oh, this is pretty. It smells really good. This one has a touch of brown sugar in it. We're going to use this sweet and spicy smoky rub on the pork chops. And I always have a pretty heavy hand with my seasonings. And then the shrimp. We're going to throw all these proteins on the sheet tray on the grill at once. The shrimp, however, they're not going to go on until after the rest of it comes off, because these beautiful shrimp are just going to take a few minutes to cook up. Oh, this smells amazing already. So now we're going to go ahead and throw these on the grill, and we're going to come back in. I'm going to talk a little bit more about these spice rubs and tell you about an offer that the good folks at Suchi'S have extended to Noreen's Kitchen viewers. While everything is on the grill and getting ready for dinner and our weekly meal prep, I wanted to just give you guys a closer look at these spice mixes. Suchi'S has done a really great job of combining seasonings. You know how much I love good spice blends. You have tried my spice blends, many of you have, and a lot of you have told me how much you enjoy them. If you are not one of those people who is going to go out and source all the different individual spices and make your own blends, Suchi Spices is an excellent option for you. And I have to tell you, these are 7.05 ounce canisters of spice. These are almost a full cup. That's a lot. They come in these reusable jars and they seal up really nicely, and you can see how fresh they smell. Fresh. When I opened up the jars, each one came with a foil seal on it, and I peeled it back, and the aroma just hits you in the face. It's amazing. The fact that they're able to make these so well with fresh spices really is a testament to their quality. We're gonna just show you what this is the sweet and spicy smoky rub, and this has a bit of brown sugar in it. It is really nice for your ribs, chicken, like a pork butt. If you're gonna throw something in the smoker, this is definitely what I would go with. Big Texas spice rub, great for brisket, or again, ribs, steaks, which is what we used it on tonight. Some of these have a bit of a kick. This does have a little bit of a kick, but not too much. This exotic island spice rub has a bit more of a kick than the Texas rub.
Like a jerk seasoning.
Exactly. This is more like a jerk style seasoning. And so it has a lot of pungent spices in it, and it does have a lot of heat. And then the Cajun Soul Spice Rub is, as you would expect, lots of oregano, paprika, chili powder, all of those good Cajun spices that are all coming together. These blends are really beautiful. Like I said, they come in canisters that are almost a full cup. And right now, these come in a box set of 4. They come in a lovely gift box. So mind you, Christmas is right around the corner, dare I say it. This would make a wonderful gift. You could even use this, buy it and break it up. You could use these as stocking stuffers. These would also make a great wedding shower or wedding gift for the foodie in your life.
And put one away for Father's Day.
And you could put one away for Father's Day. That's absolutely right. Anybody who loves to grill is going to love this set of spices. And right now, the set currently retails for $29.99 on Amazon. They are offering Noreen's Kitchen subscribers a 20% discount, which is going to make your end cost $23.99. And honestly, that is a smoking deal for almost 4 full cups full of spice blend. This is going to last you a whole year. If you are an avid griller, you're gonna be able to use these all year long. And then you don't have to use these on the grill. You can just throw this on whatever protein you like. Throw it on some vegetables, sear them, saute them, bake them, roast them, broil them, throw them on the grill. It doesn't matter. That is their offer for you. And I want to thank Suchi'S for offering up the 20% discount. You guys, that is a great discount. 20% off of 30. That's a full $6 discount. So that is definitely something you might want to take advantage of. The way that you're going to get the discount is you're going to go down below in the information box. You're going to use the link, and it is a Facebook Messenger link. They are going to share with you a coupon when you message them on Facebook. Just go ahead and say Noreen's Kitchen coupon, and they will return you a message with the discount code. We're going to go ahead and pull all of our meats off of the grill, and we'll come back and we'll show you what they look like. There you have it. All of our proteins are finished, ready to go. We're going to enjoy these tonight for dinner. I made some roasted asparagus and some tomato orzo. I'll leave links to both of those videos down below. The rest that's left, because there's a lot of meat here, and we're going to just store it correctly in the refrigerator, and then as the week progresses, we're going to be able to use these in stir fries, in pastas, in salads, in a lot of different applications, and we're going to be eating really well. We only took one night to make all of our protein, and if you are on a busy schedule and you know that your week is going to be crazy, sometimes this is a really great way to take advantage of sales and things that are currently on special in your local area and cook up a bunch all at one time, stick them in the fridge, and enjoy them for the whole week. These are also a great way to have healthy lunches at the ready for you. You can put these together, like I said, in salads, put them in wraps, put them in some pasta and make a pasta salad or a hot pasta. All you have to do is take this meat, cut it up a little bit, add it to a pan with some garlic and seasonings, a little bit of butter or olive oil, and then you can toss it with fresh veggies, steamed veggies, frozen veggies, and then add some pasta to it, and you have a complete one-pot meal. And it was no effort at all because you already had your meat out of the way. So if you're interested in the Suchi'S spices, be sure and check out the link down below for the messenger coupon code. Make sure that you tell them Noreen's Kitchen coupon, and they'll be happy to send you that information. They are available on Amazon, and you'll be able to find them over there. So you just do that however you like. This is a great way to think ahead to the holidays. These make great gifts. They make a great addition to your own spice cabinet. I think that you'll love them, and I think that you'll really get a lot of use out of them. So if you're interested, check out the link down below. And that's it. That's our grilling and meal prep for the week.
I was going to say, we tried every one of these, and I tell you, oh my goodness, are they good.
They're all spectacular, and I don't think anyone will be disappointed with what's in these jars. And this is one heck of a value for the amount of spice you get and for the quality that you're getting. So I hope you give it a try, the meal prep and the spices, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.